Hello, tech enthusiasts and problem solvers. Welcome back to 2MK Network Channel, your go-to place for all tech solutions and digital know-how. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all our latest content. Today, we're diving into a common hiccup many of you have faced while working with ChatGPT, the dreaded "something seems to have gone wrong" error that pops up when trying to process uploaded images. Annoying, right? But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk through some effective troubleshooting steps to resolve this issue. Whether you're a developer, a content creator, or just someone curious about AI, these tips are going to be super helpful. We'll start by understanding why this error occurs, then move on to a step-by-step guide to fix it. ChatGPT error message. Something seems to have gone wrong. It's a common glitch, and recently many users have reported it. This could be due to the high usage of ChatGPT. When this has happened, click the thumbs down button. This action signals to the system that there's an issue with the response. A feedback dialog will pop up, which is part of the process. When the feedback dialog appears, don't type anything just yet. The magic happens now. ChatGPT will often reprocess your initial request. Wait for a few seconds. And look! The system retries to understand and process the image, and this time, it succeeds in generating the correct response, explaining the image content accurately. It's a simple yet effective fix, especially during these times of high ChatGPT usage when such errors are more likely to occur. This little trick can bypass the hiccup and get you the explanation you need for your image. Remember, AI and machine learning platforms like ChatGPT can have unexpected errors, especially when they're under heavy demand, but often a little patience and a couple of clicks can set things right. I hope this helps you next time you're stuck with an image explanation error in ChatGPT. If you found this video useful, give it a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover. Thank you for watching.